Spring, summer, and fall are the times of the year that we focus on lawn care here in Central Virginia. Everyone wants a lawn that looks green and healthy, but if we don't take care of it, we face a bit of an uphill challenge. Along with proper watering, mowing is a key element of your weekly maintenance of your lawn. As a general rule, you should never take off more than 1/3 of the leaf blade when cutting your grass. Taking off more than this can slow plant growth and can also lead to weed infestation and disease. During times of rapid plant growth, you may need to cut your grass more than once per week to keep up with this. Mowing not only makes your lawn look great, but it is also good for the grass plant. Cutting a grass plant stimulates new growth, which creates a healthier, denser lawn. Every type of grass has a recommended mowing height. Tall fescue is commonly grown in our area, and it is recommended that you keep it within 2 to 3 inches. In the cooler months, you can mow it on the lower side, but as the heat of the summer comes in, you should stick to 3 inches. You can check the 1/3 rule by first measuring the height of your grass, then cutting a small area and measuring again. Then adjust the height of your mower wheels to the proper height, making sure the wheels are set evenly. Having a sharp lawnmower blade is very important. A dull blade can tear the grass plants rather than cutting them, leaving ragged and damaged plant tips. This can stress the plants, causing your lawn to look yellow and unhealthy, and may lead to what we call dull mower disease. With most rotary mowers, you should sharpen your blade every 25 hours of use or at least 2 times per season. You should never cut your lawn when it's wet. This can cause your grass to clump, leave ruts in your lawn, add to soil compaction, and may damage your lawnmower. Another thing to think about is what to do with your grass clippings. Bagging your grass clippings and hauling them to the landfill is throwing away a free, natural source of nitrogen fertilizer for your lawn. Most lawn mowers are designed to mulch grass clippings, allowing them to fall back into the lawn and release their nutrients back into the soil. This additional organic matter also helps improve your soil's water holding capacity. Grass cycling is a great way to help reduce the amount of waste sent to our landfills. After you finish cutting your lawn, make sure to blow the clippings off impervious surfaces and back into the yard. This will keep them from getting into our stormwater system. This is also a good practice when applying lime and fertilizer to your lawn. Proper watering of your lawn can also save you money. It is recommended that you should schedule your irrigation system to run in the early morning. This allows the water to soak into the soil, avoids evaporation that happens during the midday hours, and helps prevent disease by keeping the water off the grass during the evening hours. Also make sure that your sprinkler heads are adjusted to not apply water on walkways and streets. And finally, you can install a rain sensor that will automatically shut off your irrigation system when it's not needed. If you follow these simple recommendations, you can have a healthy, great-looking lawn and help save our natural resources. If you have any further questions, contact the Virginia Cooperative Extension office in Henrico County or visit us on the 2nd floor of the Human Services Building at 8600 Dixon Powers Drive.